Phoenix. Yeah, it's the next morning, man. We got turned. About to see what's good for the day, man. It was a time last night, though. You know, you can't put everything on the internet. You can't put everything on YouTube. You know how this goes, so. I'm liking this new iPhone, though. So, you know, them vlogs gonna be extra crispy. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I could ever have, like, a real camera. You know how some people be having them big old cameras moving around? I don't like moving around like that. It's too obvious. It's too extra. You know, I like to be real subtle and real mystique with it. But I think if once I get like 10,000 subscribers on this channel, maybe I'll go to a digital camera. But I'm still got a small channel, so I don't be really tripping. But this new iPhone crispy, so this might do for a little minute, you know? More vlogs on the way, more content on the way, more music on the way. I gotta get in the booth, quit playing. I got so much songs, though. I'll be making music, I just don't be dropping it, but more music coming. We working, man. We working till we 150, you know? This ain't gonna never stop. But, yeah, man. Stay tuned. We about to see what's up. Some slight. Good Phoenix condos. We out here, though, man. Let's see what Phoenix got going on. We at the mall with him, man. Arizona Mills, man. Phoenix vibes. You know we be out here. Yeah. Headed to the top. I think this is how you get up here, y'all. I'm about to climb it. Wish me luck.
We're gonna go back up and see your mom. She's friendly. No.
Good vegan food. It's Phoenix self-driving car. This is crazy. then. Get up then.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings. For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks, the second opens the door.
He gone.